Alright everybody, so we are in the beautiful Innswood village. Nice, nice coming down to dawn. You have another beautiful customer here that doesn't want to come on camera. Well, let me just show her what you guys should know. Shipping with us going forward. Alright, so currently there is a promotion that we have going on. In this promotion, there is a nice little coupon on the front.
Okay.
Alright, so what this coupon does is that it gives you the opportunity to share our information with someone else. But what you need to do is to fill out your information here, your mailbox
here?
information right there,
Okay.
so that they can WhatsApp us. Once they WhatsApp us, they'll be able to get a £5 free shipping coupon
Okay.
to offset payments.
Okay.
Alright, so anything you want to tell the people off here?
Well, I can say this is my first time using Island Shipper, and I haven't had any issues so far because the communication was great and the delivery based on when I did my checks, and I was surprised to see that it clear custom, and then I got a call already that the delivery would be made today. So
Awesome.
thank you.
And where did you do the delivery? Right at your door.
Right at my door. Right at my door.
Thank
And
you
I
so
like
much.
that.
So you hear that, guys? We are legit. Deliver right at your door. Ensure you sign up. Once you sign up, you get a free shipping coupon with us. With this, also you can share the information with someone else for them to enjoy our free giveaways. All right. Thank you so much again for shipping with us.
Thank you too.
You're welcome.